Hello, hi, welcome to the Lipstick Chat. We are back with a quick update of Isita the Enemy. Umbuso had decided to go enyangeni. Inyanga yaze yamtshela ukuthi enemy yakho is very close, like close. And he identified it as two animals that are going to attack him. And at this point, he took his malume, beat him, and Jen made sure ukuthi umalume were unalived. Unfortunately for him, or sadly for him, umalume wakhe is not the culprit, but the person that he is sleeping with every day. I uthukile ugirl uku-June July makabona le situation wabona ukuthi she is next and she needs to do something very quick. The question is, what will be her decision that she will do quick? Remember, all the endings are going to shock us because season 2 is coming to an end and we are going to enter into season 3. Now, uvelaphi bamfune ngamaphansi kwamatafula bamfune yonke indawo bangamtholi. Ukuphi? Uhambile wayofuna indawo because of ubone ngathi i-treatment yaka mfazi kaChuma is not good for him. And then ahambe aqine reconnect her no Minenhle. Hey guys, I can see ukuthi kuzojolwana la. Le ayifuni ruler, ayifuni ukuthi siyele nane uyawubona nje umjolo obrooming. But usisika uThenjiwe utreata unolitha kabi and no one is saying anything. And at this point uChuma usesiding le family and saying ukuthi unolitha kokwakhe laphayana, but uGirl must suck it up. How do you suck it up like this? And then kube ubanzi uyakhala ukuthi hayi shem ubala ke tlala, but ke for how long will this continue? Tlala kabanzi. Then ke kube ubani uMareza bamlethele uNandi ukuthi angisho azobona uNandi abe encouraged azi ukuthi ayeke lama drugs in ugirl uNandi uyamphusha uNandi akamfuni uRebecca and uRebecca is going to retaliate. uRebecca uyasizwa vele isisomntwana like the heartbeat of the child kicking, and she's like, you know what, that's supposed to give her hope, but ke lo uthi drugs lo uthi hope. But I think into osolomzi ayenzile is very cruel yokuthi athathe uNandi kanjalo, but maybe that's another way of bringing uNandi back to the storyline.